Hi, I'm Cole. I teach singing in Vancouver, Canada, and today I'm gonna introduce 3 best warm-up exercise for women. Let's get started. During my lessons with my students, I tend to find female students has less chest voice in their voice. They have good speaking voice. They go like, "Hi, how are you?" But when they start to sing, they start to sing like ah, ah. Notice that voice has a little breathy, softer tone compared to ah, ah. So the main focus of these exercises is for you to warm up your voice and get you ready for singing songs. But also, these exercises will help you strengthen your chest voice too. So I hope you do these exercises with me until the very end. Alright, let's get started. Exercise number 1. Lip trills 1.5 octave scale. So for this exercise, lift up your cheeks and go like brrr, brrr. Try that with me. Brrr, brrr. All right, and it's gonna sound like this. Going up. If trill is a little hard, you can do humming. It's getting a little too high for me, so I'm gonna drop off. Keep bubbling. Okay. Yes, keep going. It's getting pretty high. A couple more. This will be the highest. Now coming back down. I'm gonna do this an octave lower. Yes, keep bubbling. A little bit more. Last one. Good job. Exercise number 2. Neigh 3-tone. So this exercise is a very good chest voice building exercise, and it's gonna sound like this. Neigh, 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 neigh. So when you do this exercise, you don't want to sound too breathy like neigh, 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 neigh. Or too quiet like neigh, 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 neigh. So you want to go with the speaky kind of tone. Neigh, 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 neigh. Like this. Alright, let's do this. Neigh, 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 neigh. 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 Come back down. Make sure you're not sounding like neigh, 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 neigh. Right? It's gonna sound like neigh, 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 neigh. That's it. It's going pretty low. Neigh, 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 neigh. Sounding pretty deep here. Neigh, 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 neigh. Neigh, 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 neigh. Going up again. Neigh, 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 neigh. Neigh, 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 neigh. Last one. Neigh, 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 neigh. Exercise number 3. mom octave repeat. So for this exercise, it starts in your higher chest voice. So it's really easy to start with a lighter, softer tone, such as mom, mom, like this. But this is still in your chest voice range, so make sure you start with mom, 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 a little bit more of a speakier tone. And for Mikey, it will be starting right here. Mum, 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 mum. Notice most of the notes are in my chest voice, so for you it's gonna be the same. So for you it's gonna be starting right here. Mum, 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 mum. Here we go. Keep going. Mum, mum, mum. I'm gonna be singing octave lower. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Coming back down. Mum, 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 mum. Make sure you're not starting soft like this. Mum, mum, mum. Right? So starting like this. Mum, 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 mum. Octave higher. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Couple more. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Two more. Mum, 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 mum. Last one. Mum, 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 mum. Here you go. How are those exercises? I hope your voice is warmed up and you can come back to this video anytime before you start to sing or before you speak in front of other people. These exercises will be a really good one for you. And if you do like these exercises and if you do like the video, please keep like and subscribe from the link below. And I love reading comments, so if you would like me to cover something in the future or any comments, like please leave it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.